Margaret, I welcome the opportunity, and I'll use it to the best of my ability, the 3 minutes, to put a focus on what's happening in the world. And looking, the two speeches from Peter Burke, Minister, and Taoiseach Simon Harris are absolutely an example of how to mislead and to be disingenuous. We have 3,000 words from Simon Harris, and in those 3,000 words, there is one mention of Israel in 3,000 words, and it says the Israel strikes on Gaza this week must be utterly condemned. Otherwise, no mention of Israel. Gaza is mentioned as one word, along with Syria and Lebanon and the Middle East. In contrast, there are 2 pages in relation to the invasion of the Ukraine by Russia, rightly condemned, but absolutely no recognition that the international law and peace is greatly threatened by Netanyahu's behaviour and by the Israeli government and army, along with Trump. Absolutely no recognition. Peter Burke has given us, very helpfully, 2,250 words, and nothing is mentioned in that speech in relation to the genocide in Gaza. And I stand here and I wonder, how could that happen, or what's happening? Because I would dearly love to talk about trade. And I know the figures in relation to the trade, and I know the deficits in relation to what goes in and what goes out of the country. But trade pales into insignificance in relation to the threat posed by Israel as we speak. And we continue to trade with Israel. And we watch genocide taking place on the ground, and we stand by and do nothing. And I repeat it, despite the Taoiseach's derogatory and demeaning comments this morning in relation to me shouldering the burden. I certainly do not. But the people on the ground in Gaza who are still alive, the ones left, are shouldering the burden, and those who dare to speak for them. And increasingly it's becoming more difficult to speak out because it's been equated and conflated with anti-Semitism, which is utterly wrong. So let's look at what we're talking about today. Dáil statements on international security. That's the first half. Nothing on what's happening. No condemnation of Israel. No analysis of how this happened. No analysis that didn't start on the 7th of October, but a whole history. And I can say that as someone who has absolutely condemned the invasion by Hamas and also by Russia. But if we're going to be believed, and if we're going to act as an independent sovereign state, a neutral republic, then we must use our voice to speak to power and the abuse of power by President Trump, by Netanyahu, and by Russia. Absolutely. But to have any credibility in the world, we must be consistent. We must take courage in our hand and use our voice for peace and form alliances with other countries that will not go along with this consensus. Garamag.